Unlock the secret to attraction that 99% of men don't know. What if I told you there's a 100% proven psychological trick that can make any woman feel an instant connection with you? This isn't about looks or money. It's about tapping into the hidden forces of the mind that drive attraction. In this video, I'll break down 7 powerful tricks to instantly attract any woman. Get ready to discover the game-changing techniques that will transform your interactions and leave women irresistibly drawn to you. Trick 1. The power of confidence. Confidence is like a magnet. Women are naturally drawn to men who carry themselves with self-assurance. But how do you build that confidence? Start by standing tall, making eye contact, and speaking clearly. Practice positive self-talk and visualize yourself succeeding in social situations. Remember, confidence isn't about being arrogant. It's about being comfortable with who you are. When you believe in yourself, others will notice and feel that energy. Confidence signals that you are secure and capable, traits that are inherently attractive. Women want a partner who can handle challenges and navigate life with assurance. To boost your confidence, try standing tall and maintaining an open posture. Make eye contact during conversations to show you're engaged. You can even practice speaking in front of a mirror to get comfortable with your voice and delivery. Consider engaging in activities that make you feel good about yourself. Whether it's hitting the gym, pursuing a hobby, or learning a new skill, these experiences can enhance your self-esteem. When you feel good about yourself, that confidence radiates outward, making you more appealing to others. Trick 2. Active listening. One of the most underrated skills in attraction is the ability to listen actively. When you engage in a conversation, show genuine interest in what she's saying. Nod your head, ask follow-up questions, and reflect on her thoughts. This not only makes her feel valued, but also creates a deeper emotional connection. Women appreciate when a man truly listens, as it shows that you care about her feelings and opinions. Active listening fosters intimacy and trust. When she feels heard, she's more likely to open up and connect with you on a deeper level. To practice active listening, use phrases like, "That's interesting," "Tell me more," to encourage her to share. Repeat back what she says to show you're engaged, and avoid interrupting. Let her finish her thoughts before you respond. Moreover, pay attention to her body language. Nonverbal cues can tell you a lot about how she feels during the conversation. If she leans in closer, maintains eye contact, or smiles, these are signs that she is engaged and interested. On the other hand, if she seems distracted or disinterested, it might be a cue to change the topic or approach the conversation differently. Trick 3. Shared experiences. Creating shared experiences can significantly enhance attraction. Whether it's trying a new activity together, attending an event, or even sharing a funny story, these moments build a bond. Suggest spontaneous adventures or activities that you both might enjoy. The excitement of new experiences can create lasting memories and strengthen your connection. Shared experiences create a sense of partnership and teamwork, which can deepen your emotional connection. Propose activities that are slightly outside your comfort zones, like rock climbing or cooking classes. Attend local events or festivals together to create fun memories. Sharing personal stories that relate to the experiences you're having together can also help solidify that bond. When you engage in activities together, you create a narrative that is uniquely yours. If you both try a new restaurant and have a great time, that experience becomes a part of your shared history. It gives you something to reminisce about later, which can strengthen your connection. Trick 4. The art of teasing. Light-hearted teasing can be a fun way to create chemistry. It shows that you're playful and confident. However, it's essential to keep it light and avoid sensitive topics. The goal is to create a fun atmosphere where both of you can laugh. For example, if she mentions her favorite movie, you might say, "Really? That's your favorite?" I guess we can't all have great taste. Just ensure your teasing is good-natured and playful. Teasing creates a playful dynamic that can spark attraction. It shows you're comfortable enough to joke around, which can be very appealing. Keep your tone light and playful. Avoid sarcasm that could be misinterpreted. Use humor to highlight quirks or habits in a loving way. Pay attention to her reactions. If she enjoys it, continue. But if she seems uncomfortable, switch gears. The key is to create a fun and relaxed atmosphere where both of you can enjoy each other's company. Trick 5. Emotional vulnerability. While confidence is crucial, showing emotional vulnerability can also be incredibly attractive. Sharing your thoughts, fears, or experiences can create a deeper connection. It allows her to see the real you, fostering trust and intimacy. Just be mindful not to overshare too soon. Find the right balance. When you open up, it encourages her to do the same, creating a safe space for both of you. Vulnerability fosters intimacy and trust, making her feel closer to you. It shows that you're human and relatable. You might share a personal story about a challenge you faced and how you overcame it. This not only makes you more relatable, but also allows her to see your strength and resilience. Ask her about her experiences and be open to discussing feelings. Create a safe environment where both of you can express yourselves without judgment. This openness can lead to a stronger emotional bond. When she shares her vulnerabilities with you, it deepens the connection and makes her feel more comfortable around you. Remember, the goal is to create a balance between sharing and listening. If you share too much too soon, it can overwhelm her. Instead, gauge her comfort level and share in a way that invites her to reciprocate. This mutual exchange of vulnerability can be incredibly powerful in building attraction. Trick 6. The power of compliments. Compliments, when genuine and specific, can work wonders in attracting women. Instead of giving generic compliments like, "You're beautiful," try to be more specific and thoughtful. For example, saying, "I love how passionate you are about your work. It's truly inspiring," shows that you're paying attention to her unique qualities. This kind of compliment not only makes her feel valued, but also highlights your attentiveness, which is incredibly attractive. Genuine compliments make her feel appreciated and boost her self-esteem, making her more attracted to you. To make your compliments more effective, focus on specific traits or actions rather than just physical appearance. Compliment her on her achievements or skills, showing that you recognize her efforts. Use body language, like a warm smile, to enhance the impact of your words. Additionally, timing is important when giving compliments. Choose moments when she's feeling good about herself, such as after she shares a success or when she's dressed up for an occasion. This can amplify the effect of your compliment and make it more meaningful. Remember, sincerity is key. Women can easily spot insincerity, so make sure your compliments come from the heart. Trick 7. Create a sense of mystery. Mystery can be incredibly alluring. Instead of revealing everything about yourself right away, keep some things to yourself. Share intriguing stories or experiences, but leave out some details to spark her curiosity. This creates an air of intrigue and encourages her to want to learn more about you. Just be careful not to play games. The goal is to create genuine interest, not confusion. A little mystery keeps her engaged and wanting to know more about you. It creates a sense of adventure in getting to know each other. To create this sense of mystery, share interesting anecdotes, but leave out key details to pique her curiosity. For example, if you mention a fascinating trip you took, you might say, "I had an incredible experience in Thailand, but I'll tell you more about it later." This invites her to ask questions and keeps the conversation flowing. Avoid oversharing on the first few dates. Let her discover more about you over time. Use open-ended questions to encourage her to ask about your life. creating a natural flow of conversation that keeps her interested. The goal is to create a dynamic where she feels compelled to learn more about you, which can heighten her attraction. Now that you have these 7 powerful tricks to instantly attract any woman, it's time to put them into action. Remember, attraction is not just about looks or status. It's about creating genuine connections and understanding the psychological triggers that draw people together. Practice these techniques, and you'll find that your interactions with women become more engaging and fulfilling. Confidence, active listening, shared experiences, playful teasing, emotional vulnerability, genuine compliments, and a touch of mystery are all tools you can use to want to dive deeper into the psychology of attraction. Drop a comment below, and I'll create more content to help you master these skills. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on building meaningful connections. We're diving even deeper into the psychology of attraction. See you in the next one.